觉得身上好像有一种劲儿，就像是一种使命感一样。
虽然我没孩子，但是现在看着这帮孩子，他们脱离了他们那个愚昧贫困的那个穷坑了，我觉得就足够了。
梦想就像宇宙中的星辰，看似遥不可及，但是只要你努力，就一定能够触摸得到。
These pictures of Earth were taken by Wang Yaping. She has many titles: the first woman taikonaut to enter China's space station, China's first space teacher, and the first female Chinese astronaut to walk in space.
栋梁，你感觉怎么样？
栋梁感觉良好。
Wang was born into a rural family in China's Shandong in 1980. Despite her humble beginnings, she had been dreaming big.
03年的时候，我们神舟5号发射的时候，我的内心突然有了一个热血沸腾的想法。现在有了自己的男航天员，什么时候会有我们女航天员呢？
In 2009, when Wang was still in the Air Force, she saw a notice for selecting astronauts, so she signed up immediately.
家里其实不同意的，他们觉得航天员太危险了。但是后来他们看我很坚定，他们也就特别支持了。我是03年种下的这颗种子，13年我自己是飞上了太空。
In 2013, Wang had her first space journey as a crew member of the Shenzhou 10 manned spaceship. 9 years later, she completed her second mission in space and returned to Earth safely again.
第一次飞天可能是好奇和新鲜，但是第二次飞天更多的则是勇气。我们确实是赶上了一个好的时代，让我们有机会去实现梦想，甚至是超越了梦想。
While some are working hard to fulfill their dreams, some are earnest in helping others pursue their passion. Zhang Guomei, the principal of a senior high school for girls, has been educating and aiding students in need. This school in mountainous Yunnan province has created a miracle. More than 2,000 graduates, most of whom come from low-income rural families, have been admitted to colleges and universities.
我的愿望是，让大山里的女孩子都能够有书读，通过读书改变她们的命运。
In the past, many girls in the region would quit school to support their families. Zhang managed to open her school in 2008 with the help of the government. It's the first public high school in China that provides free education for female students.
就在我们高中3年生活里，你的妈妈一样的。
而她的心里好像从来就没有她自己，有的永远都是别人。
Due to years of hard work, Zhang suffers from over 20 kinds of illnesses. However, Zhang wouldn't give up. Instead, she said she'd like to be a lamp in the mountains, lighting the way forward for the girls.
我把他们弄出去就是我的梦想。只要他能走出大山，学的东西更多一点，回过头来能为社会也好，能为百姓也好，多做点贡献。
A famous Chinese quote says, "Women can hold up half the sky." Even in some industries traditionally dominated by men, women are playing their role.
刘洋，你为什么想当女子机械师啊？
当时倒也没怎么想，但是女孩不能当机械师吗？
Wu Menghang is the head of a female mechanics team in the railway system in Heilongjiang province. It's the first such team for high-speed trains, operating in alpine cold regions in northeast China, where temperatures could drop to minus 40 degrees Celsius in winter. Wu's team is made up of 24 girls, whose average age is less than 23.
我们班组的姑娘们基础过关，她们虽然身体瘦弱，但在很多方面具有男职工不具备的优势。 比如下蹲、探身，他们都更加灵活。而且我觉得在故障检测方面，他们也更加的细心。
Due to the extremely cold weather in winter, there's a higher possibility for potential risks.
那个冷劲儿直往骨头里面钻，脚像站在冰坨上一样，冻得又麻又疼的。但这就是咱北方高寒高铁的特色呢。我们这个姑娘早就已经习惯了。
Despite the hardships and challenges, the team members are aiming high.
我们作为新时代的年轻人，要发扬工匠精神，有理想的同时，还要肯脚踏实地的去干。
胸有凌云志，无高不可攀。男孩子能完成的任务，我们女孩子也一定能完成。我相信未来一定属于有理想、有作为、有担当我们这一代的年轻人。
In every aspect of the Chinese society, women have been playing an irreplaceable role, contributing to social progress in their own ways. China has also been consistently promoting gender equality and women empowerment over the past decades. Equality between men and women is a basic state policy, and the country has put in place a legal system comprising over 100 laws and regulations for fully protecting women's rights and interests.